To begin your treatment, you are going to use our first move, which we call effleurage. Effleurage is one of the foundational massage techniques and is typically the movement we begin and end each area with. After applying some oil to your hands, you're going to do this move 6 times. You'll see in the video as well that I actually turn around and I do the effleurage in the reverse direction as well from the top of the body, and the effleurage can be done from either side. Effleurage consists of long gliding rhythmic strokes, and it follows the contour of the body, usually performed with either your palms of your hands, your fingers, or your forearms. And these movements are generally directed towards the heart, supporting venous return and encouraging healthy circulation throughout the body. The routine for the back of the legs starts with beginning with effleurage, using long gliding strokes to warm the tissues and spread the massage medium evenly. The movements are directed upwards towards the heart, supporting circulation and helping the client to relax. The pressure can be gradually increased as the tissues begin to warm, so you're maintaining a smooth, continuous rhythm throughout, but then you can apply effleurage to reinforced effleurage. You're then going to slowly transition into kneading, and you can do this either using the flat of your hands or you can use your knuckles, depending on preference and your client's objectives. The muscles are gently compressed and released in a rhythmic motion, helping to increase circulation, reduce tension, and improve tissue elasticity. Abdominal massage really supports both physical and emotional well-being. It stimulates digestion by encouraging the natural movement of the intestines, and this can be beneficial for clients that experience bloating, constipation, just sluggish digestion in general. Massage to the abdominal area also supports lymphatic flow, and it can help reduce fluid retention quite dramatically, contributing to a feeling of lightness and improved comfort. It assists in relieving tension held within the abdominal muscles, which can be linked to posture, stress, even prolonged sitting sometimes. And from a circulatory perspective, abdominal massage helps to increase blood flow to the internal organs, supporting their overall function and health.